Arnie's, the place with all of the party supplies that I showed you guys in one of my last videos. So here we are again at Arnie's. This time I'm looking for supplies to make a Valentine's Day wreath. So let's go see what we find.
Free.
Well, that trip to Arnie's wasn't as successful as I thought it would be because they were out of the heart wreaths, metal, the wire behind it. So I'm gonna have to make a trip to Michael's or Hobby Lobby. Hey you guys, welcome to my home. On my last video, I did another Valentine's Day theme. I did what to buy your boyfriend for Valentine's Day, so make sure that you watch that one. Please don't forget to subscribe, guys. That helps me so much. In this video, I'm doing a DIY. So I love to do these DIYs because in a way, it's very therapeutic for me. You know, all of us have our little ways to just kind of get away, and I just spend an hour like keeping my hands busy, which I really like that. So all right guys, let's get this started. Everything is recording, so let me just show you guys what I got and from where. So these three are from Arnie's. Some supplies that you will need are some wire cutters, some wire, and I got this little thing that I might put on afterward. This was only $2 at H-E-B. That's crazy, you guys. Like, that is such a good price. And then this you can also find at the dollar store. It is, I think, a 14-inch, but I'll double check and I'll have it all in my links. Let's get this started, y'all. Okay, so this is the ribbon that I'm gonna use. You do need a pretty thick one, like a very, you know, a good size one. So you'll grab your ribbon, you'll loop it through here, and then that way. That way, this is on the back. So I flipped it around, and I'm gonna do some wire here. So you'll want to grab like a good 8 inches. I'm guessing. Who really knows what 8 inches is, right? Just kidding. Okay, then you're gonna poke it through there. I do leave some like leeway, some slack. So you poke it through there, then you go around the little middle right there. So once it's around that, we are free to just start twisting so that it does not come undone. Okay, it's snug on there. Good. So now we'll turn it back over And we'll start with the pull through method. The first thing to do is you grab the ribbon and you literally just pull through, okay? Just like that. I would say, so I might even do like 5, like that. Beautiful, okay? And then after that one, you go through the last one. So I don't go through the middle just yet. So you go through the last one. Again, pull, try to make the ears just about the same. Gonna pull just a little from that one. So it's like a little bow tie. Cute, right? Yes, very cute. And then now, after that one is when I pull through the middle. Now I'm gonna pull through the middle. Okay. So there we go. Again, try to make the bunny ears exactly the same. And then after this one, you want to make sure there's not a lot of craziness back here, because I hate when I'm done with a wreath and the back just looks messy. So then after this, after these 3, I do it all over again. So I'll take it to the outside again. Just about the same. And then through the inside one. And then I'll go through the middle. And here we go all over again. So, like I said, you guys, this is kind of a therapeutic hobby for me. I love to just do DIYs, and I love to come home and see my cute door decorated, whatever holiday it's gonna be. Guys, if you like my videos so far, please don't forget to subscribe. So I've done 3 in this, but I feel like a 4th one would be good. I've done 3 of them, so now I'm gonna do the 4th one for it to look fuller. Perfect. And you can worry about just fixing them later. So this is it so far. I love it. It looks like huge. It looks like huge red ribbon, you know, like cute. Okay, so you guys pretty much got the feeling from above, so I'm just gonna go through and finish this. Done with my first roll. I wanted to do one of these, just this. So this ribbon, it is so hot in here, guys, because that's where I'm gonna put the little love sign, and I don't want it to be red because then red and red clashes. I really like this ribbon. I think it's gonna look super cute. So same way, I tie it on the middle one. Now this is cute. Okay guys, so I did what I wanted with like this part. But look, it's gonna look super cute. Right there on the type of ribbon. So again, here we go. I stopped in the middle of the circle right here because I just felt like this piece looked a little better, fatter than the letters themselves. And this time I'll just make a little knot. Guys, I have to say though, like this ribbon is amazing. I'm not gonna lie. Regular burlap like this is so messy and it like loses all of its little hairs. And this one is not messy at all. I absolutely love it. So I have this little white ribbon I can use to attach to the back. It is a lot fatter than that one, but this is all I have. Maybe if I cut it in half. Yeah, that should work a lot better. So since I want it right there, like I said, this first one on the L, I'm gonna tie it to the top, and then this one would go in the middle one through there, just because of the placing. So since that's exactly where I want it, I'm just gonna tie them. This is the finished product. I'm not gonna put, I don't think, any more things just because I think it's cute like this. The only thing I'm gonna do is tie the red one better so it can be just like that. So that's it, guys. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm glad that you saw my journey with me and how it turned out. Beautiful, right? I can't wait to hang it up. So as you can see, it's pretty easy. It's just time consuming, but if we have hours to scroll through Instagram, we have 1 hour to make a beautiful art piece for our door, right? I'm gonna put all the links to everything that I used. You really only need the wire, the wreath for the wreath, the ribbon, another cute ribbon, and maybe something to put on there. As you can see, I didn't even use the other things that I have. I just used this one piece to finish it all off. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe, that helps me so much. So please subscribe, share my video, whatever. Don't forget to watch my other videos. I love you guys so much. Thank you for watching, and I will see you next time.